Sir, did you hear and understand the rights that I went through?
I heard what you said, yes. I do not consent.
You don't understand any of the rights?
I heard what you said.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me about the rights?
I do not.
All right. You're here in several files. In all of those cases, you're here for warrant hearings. It's alleged you missed a court appearance back in January on those cases, so bench warrants were issued for you in those. Do you understand why you're here on those ones today?
I hear what you're saying.
All right.
I did not consent.
You said you don't consent?
No.
Yeah, I'm not asking if you consent. I just want to know if you understand why
I
you're
hear
here.
what you're saying.
Okay. You're also here in CRI 25-1919. In that case, you're charged in count 1 and in count 2 with aggravated assault. That is a class 3 felony. It's punishable by up to 15 years in prison and or a $30,000 fine. Do you understand those charges and the maximum punishments?
I hear what you're saying.
Do you understand the charge and the maximum punishment?
I do hear what you're saying.
Okay, I'm going to take that to mean that you understand, you just don't agree, and that's fine. I'm looking at this application for court-appointed attorney. Did you fill that out here today?
Yeah, it was filled out today.
And is everything on there true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yeah.
And did you sign your name at the bottom?
Yes.
All right, I find that you qualify. I'll appoint the public defender's office to represent you.
Accept the appointment, waive further reading and advising.
What is the state's position on bond?
Your Honor, the state would be asking for a $5,000 cash-only bond, specifically in CRI 251919, and no contact with the victim. The defendant here is a clear danger and a flight risk. The defendant has multiple pending cases out on warrant, 3 of which are felonies. Defendant has a pending VPO and will not abide by no contact orders, and it is out of compliance with pretrial services. Here, the defendant was at the Munchies convenience store and punched the store owner in the face. The store owner and his wife advised law enforcement the defendant came in to the store.
It's on camera.
Hey, sir,
Lady?
this is not your chance to talk.
I'm a
You need to be
fan.
quiet. She's just telling me what the allegations are, and then your attorney will have a chance to talk. Go ahead, Ms. Barcher.
The store owner and his wife advised law enforcement that the defendant came into the store and was acting weird from the initial contact. Defendant purchased a small item and left the store only to return when he said he was shortchanged. Defendant then grabbed a beer can and punched the store owner in the face with it.
I grabbed my
Victim was
back
knocked
here.
unconscious and had 2 lacerations to the face. Given the aggravating circumstances and the pending charges, the state feels that bond is warranted at this time.
And then what about the other warrant files? What's the state's position on bond on those?
On the other ones, it looks like PR bonds are fine on the other ones.
So you're recommending PR bonds on all the other files, the warrant hearing ones?
I had like 2 weeks. I have like a 2-week operation in the jail anyway. You know what
Your
I'm
Honor,
saying?
do you mind if I just go through them case by case based on the notes?
I have to stay here for
So
like 2
in
weeks.
243733, that would be a PR bond.
Okay.
We're bringing this shit down, man.
All right, Mr. Beatty, I'll do the talking for you, okay?
I would recommend you stop talking, sir. It's not gonna help you.
Okay. I'm just doing my job.
In 232620, bench warrant to bond, but that was from a while ago, so I don't know if that's been resolved.
Okay.
5905 PR bond. Yeah, I believe they're all supposed to be PR bonds outside of 1919. Sorry, Your Honor.
Including 2620, not bench warrant to bond.
Yeah, that note's from, I realize that note's from 2024, so I'm going to say that on those they'll be.
PRs. All right, Mr. Bullhauer.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd request that you consider a PR bond here or a low cash surety amount. Mr. Beatty is currently homeless. I believe he's out of work. He's been in Sioux Falls for about 8 years now. From my understanding, there have been some prior, possibly current mental health struggles as well. So we would ask that you take that into account. At this time, I don't think he would be able to post probably any amount of bond, and that's the reason for the request for the lower amount.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Beatty presents with a PSA score of a 6.6, indicating both a high risk to fail to appear, a high risk to reoffend. I know 13 pending files, I believe. 11 of them are on the docket today. There are some additional circuit court files as well. All but one on the docket today are set for warrant hearings based on allegations of a missed court appearance from about 6 months ago. So I do have a concern about a risk of flight, given the number of pending files. The allegations here certainly also present a concern about a danger to the community, given allegations of knocking a store clerk
Will you watch the tape,
unconscious.
please?
There's also multiple simple assault cases that are pending, as well as resisting, obstructing. So there is concern about, again, danger to the community. Those assault
keep his hands
cases
off
have different listed
Animal fed.
victims. So I am setting bond at $5,000 cash on that felony file, 25-1919. The conditions of that bond are that you be on good behavior, stay in contact with your attorney, make all of your court appearances. You're to have no contact with Michael Weirkamp Sr., the alleged victim in that case.
Doesn't exist.
Do you understand those bond conditions, Mr. Beatty?
I hear what you're saying.
All right, be on good behavior, stay in contact with your attorney, comply with all valid protection orders and no contact orders.
Who is that?
All of those cases are gonna be set for pretrial conference and jury trial dates. We'll enter not guilty pleas on those. There are 3 municipal offense cases, so city offense cases.
What's that mean?
Those are MAG 24-2226, that's an obstructing, resisting, interfering with a peace officer. MAG 24-3010 is disorderly conduct. And MAG 24-3158 is disturbing the peace. All 3 of those are municipal offenses, so they're each punishable by fines and costs only up to $500 each. Do you understand that, sir?
So is that taken care of by like the time that's been spent in jail over it? That's plenty.
Well, I don't know how long you've sat in jail, but on those 3 city charges, did you want to plead guilty or not guilty today?
Then, Sophie, don't even say anything.
I'm sorry?
My lawyer just told me not to say shit.
Okay, so your lawyer's not representing you on those 3 cases, just so you know. But we'll enter not guilty pleas on those. Those are gonna be,
Telepathic communication, like, cause with feds, like, we have nano telepathic communication.
with
You
your
know about
lawyer?
that.
Okay,
Yeah. I have a real lawyer.
okay. So we'll enter not guilty pleas on those municipal offense charges. Those will be set for dispositional conference.
And that means like a fine.
It'll be, you have PR bonds on those, if I didn't say that. Be on good behavior, stay in contact with your attorney. So those will be set for a separate court date, so you can talk with the city attorney's office. Any questions for me, Mr. Beatty?
I want you to watch the tape and like also like look up my federal status. ASD Beatty 231-707-2911, Superior Administrative Advisor, Major, XK class in the World Event Anomalous Task Force. I'm a private sector federal military operative.
Okay, good luck with that, sir. We'll be in recess in those cases. Just write down all these. Oh, sorry, you're waiting for me.